Hey everybody, it's Bobby Deen here with another great recipe for you today. I think you're really going to enjoy. We make lots of different salads in our house and in our restaurant. And actually, we started our business with the Bag Lady, and the Bag Lady did lots of chicken salad, tuna salad, macaroni salad, pasta salad. If there was a salad you could make, believe me, we made it. So there's all sorts of different ways to flavor these things and different ingredients and things that you can add to them. One that I like is an Italian chicken salad. And so what makes it Italian? Well, pesto, mozzarella, and I guess the arugula, maybe. No, not the arugula, probably. But anyhow, Italian chicken salad. And this is a pretty simple recipe. The chicken that you use, it's pretty convenient to go to the store and buy rotisserie chickens. Nothing wrong with that. Or you could bake off your own chicken at home, using legs and thighs and some breast, and have a mixture of white and dark meat. Would sort of make things a little bit more flavorful. So, but any way you choose, it's up to you. So we'll start with the base, which is going to be mayonnaise and the pesto sauce. Now, pesto sauce, like the rotisserie chicken, you can buy pre-made at the grocery store, if that's your thing, you're fancy, or you can make it at home. It's not too difficult to do. And pesto is, gosh, I really like it. And actually, one of my, kids can be really picky eaters. But one of my children, 7-year-old child, loves pesto. So whenever I make spaghetti at home, she's like, "Dad, please make pesto. I don't want red sauce, I want pesto." Okay. Just happy to see him eating something green, whatever it is. All right, so we'll combine the mayonnaise, pesto, salt, and that's just a wonderful aroma from the pesto. And it's going to be nice and maybe unexpected in our chicken salad. So to that, we'll go ahead and add our chicken. And we'll toss our chicken around in that pesto. I think that'd probably already be pretty good, just like that. Great, so our pesto and chicken is pretty well combined. Now we'll go ahead and add in our red peppers. Green onion. It's gonna be really nice colors. Black olives. Love olives. And then the mozzarella cheese. We'll try to fold it all together without tearing things up too much. Doesn't that look good? I think it does. This is a really hearty chicken salad. A sandwich, of course, I'm a sandwich man, but I would eat this on maybe a bed of lettuce. That's how I'm going to serve it today. Or with crackers, or on maybe a piece of sourdough toasted. Looks really, really good. I like it. So we'll use an ice cream scoop here, which is the way that we used to do this in the Bag Lady back in the day also. Put a couple of scoops of chicken salad. That's butter. That looks really, really good. Nice colors. A little bit of the arugula too. Looks like I just made myself a lunch. Really good. Italian chicken salad. I recommend that you try it. It's great. Okay, see you next time.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.